Hi guys, so today I will take you through the needle punch process. The first step is to have the fibers weighed. As you can see, this is a huge scale that we have that weighs the fibers. The fibers are then loaded onto a conveyor belt and taken through to the bale opener. The bale opener is a process whereby the fibers are opened up further. So this process is called a card willow. This opens up the fibers even further and it sends it through some ducts. So these are the ducts that carries the fibers through into the mix master. During this process, the fibers are mixed a little bit more thoroughly. And after this process, it goes through the bale opener as for the second pass. The fibers are then sent through the ducts from the mix master into this holding bin. The next process from here is web forming. So from the blending process, the fibers are carried through once again in the ducts. This is now called the web forming. During this process, the fibers are developed into a web. This is what a single web looks like. The next process is called cross-lapping. The cross-lapper actually makes at least 10 layers. The layers that are formed looks almost like a blanket. This is a more closer look at all the layers. Depending on which product is required, the number of layers change. The layers are then sent through another machine where everything is compressed into one thick layer. So this is what the carpet looks like when it comes through the machine. So this is all 10 layers compressed into one thick layer. Process is called structuring. This is where the carpet is fed through the machine, but the carpet still has a very plain look. The pattern is set on the carpet by a set of needle boards, as you can see. That process is called needling. After the needling process, this is where you can see the pattern that is set on the carpet. So after the structuring process, the carpet comes through our backing plant. This is where the latex is applied. After the latex application, the carpet is then fed through the ovens. These are the ovens that allow for the carpet to dry. So after the carpet comes through the ovens, it is split here into 2.1 and 2.1, and then it is going to be prepared for bitumen. During this process, the bitumen is applied onto the carpet. We also add a scrim cloth to it, which gives the carpet tile a little bit more stability. So this is where the backing cloth is laminated onto the carpet after the bitumen has been applied. The die batch numbers together with the arrow is then printed onto the carpet. The carpets are then cut into slats, and these are left to cure for 48 hours. So after the slats have been left to be cured for 48 hours, it is fed through the machine where it will be converted into a 1 meter by 1 meter tile. The meter by meter tiles are then packaged, and these are now ready to be shipped off.
these are some of the different colors that can be manufactured. You can also mix and match colors to get a more interesting combination for installation. And this is the end of our needle punch process.